Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we will be doing a Halloween costume for my cats. So again, I went to Amazon and I bought this kit with 40 different felt colors. I will be doing Chucky from A Child's Play, and for that we will need to construct the t-shirt and the jumpsuit, as well as a wig, because he has this weird hair. So I cut all the patterns, starting with the body for the t-shirt, the body for the jumpsuit with the pocket, a hand, sleeve, the legs for the thing and the strap, as well as the knife. I traced everything with a pencil on the felt so I could cut everything later. Since it's a striped t-shirt, I cut some stripes of felt in the colors from the movie, and I will be sewing them on a full sheet of felt in order to cut the t-shirt out from that later. So that will be my fabric, so to speak. Always be careful. If you need help, use scissors. They're more stable and I don't want anyone to get hurt. This is how the t-shirt will look like when it's all sewed in. And then I cut the pieces, leaving a little bit of seam allowance. I don't want it to get smaller than it should be. Pretty much 80% of the footage of me sewing this is scrapped, so that's why I'm not adding it to the video, because it's gonna be too long and you cannot really see anything because my hand is on the front. For the next videos I took note that I should be doing another angle for this. I'm left-handed. The only thing you can see in the video is my arm pretty much all of the time. I apologize for that. Summarizing everything I did on the sewing machine is I attached the legs first to the bodice, then I assembled the fabric for the t-shirt, then I cut the fabric for the t-shirt, attached the sleeves and the hands, and then attached the t-shirt to the bodice. After all of that, I sewed the parts where the legs would go with black felt, because no one is checking the behinds of my cats, and also the places for the stuffing in the arms. Then I sew the knife that consists of two pieces of felt sewn together because I need more stability, and only one sheet of felt would not be thick enough to hold the shape. Then with the insides of the dead bunny, I stuffed the arms, and then I glued the buttons and the details on the knife with hot glue. Be careful not to hurt yourself while doing that. I always burn my fingers when doing this. Do as I say, not as I do. I closed the arms so the stuffing would not fall out. Attaching the knife to the hand, also with hot glue. I wanted to sew it, but I was not feeling like it. So this is the final result. As you see, I did the seams on the outside because I wanted to give it more of a feel of a ragdoll. This is what you see on the inside, and those are the places where the front legs of the cat will go, and this is the part for the chest. So I have to turn this into a t-shirt, a comfortable t-shirt, so they can wear it. And then I took one of my old tops and I cut a strip of fabric in the shape that I needed. I made sure that both sides are the same. Then I sewed that to the body of the doll. I said that I would not be felting anytime soon, but turns out I needed a wig for this, and I didn't want to do it on felt because it would be too clumsy and awkward to wear, so I did it with felting. And since I was not able to put the costume on my cats without causing an inhumane and unnecessary amount of distress on them, I decided to put it on Sushi. So here she is. She doesn't care. Actually, she does, and she's very depressed using this awful wig, and I think she's a little bit too big for this. I'm not sure. What do you say? And now, some shaky footage. this is it for Halloween this year. I hope you enjoyed. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to this channel and hit the bell button so you get all my updates, and I'll see you next week. Bye!